What is up, guys? Welcome back to today's video. Right now, yeah, that's lit, right? Yeah, that's it. It's good. Right now we got Quan in the building. Yeah, we about to take out this garbage right quick and put it in the trash can because we couldn't do it because of all the snow. I had filmed a vlog yesterday for you guys, but unfortunately I deleted it on accident. So my mistake. You know what I mean? What else? Oh yeah, we're gonna get out here. It's cold. It's probably colder today than it was yesterday. What you say? It's not. But we're gonna get out here and probably have some fun. Oh yeah, all of the snow's melting. But I still doubt we have school tomorrow. Even if we do have school tomorrow, I'm not going. You know. Oh, my hand's in the way of the camera. But yeah, we're gonna film out here and go film a vlog for you guys. I'm gonna try to get like a 20-minute vlog for you guys. We're gonna film a lot today. We're gonna film a lot, right? Yeah, we gonna film a lot. Yeah. But we gonna get this trash out and I'll get you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, so right now, what I'm about to do. What you looking at me? What you looking at me for, bro? So now, yeah, guys, right now I'm about to, you know, cook it up in the kitchen. You know, I'm about to cook some breakfast. You know, cause I'm the chef. I don't know if you guys got me on Snapchat. I know you guys seen that one time. But I'm about to cook some breakfast, get these dishes out the sink, and I'll see you guys. And I'm gonna do a little time lapse of me washing dishes, I guess. I don't know. See you guys in the next clip. So yeah, you guys seen that time lapse. I just finished the dishes and everything, but yeah, I'm about to cook, you know, cause I'm a chef. I'm about to show you guys how I am. It's filming? But unfilm it, undo it. You film it? Yeah. Alright guys, right now first you gotta get the bacon. Alright. Let me see if we got some bacon in here. But I'm pretty sure I know we got some bacon. Yeah, got some bacon right there. Boom, bacon. Alright, you can stop it until I actually start cooking. Alright, so yeah, I didn't record since that last scene that you guys seen, but I did. So we got the bacon, we got the eggs, we got those. Them jinx is good, I'm telling you, they good. Quan the vlogger right here. Don't need to start a vlogging channel. He got a channel, but he don't upload on it. I'm gonna see. I'll put your link in the description. Y'all go subscribe to that channel right there. But yeah, we got the eggs and stuff, so we gonna eat up, and I'm gonna show you guys everything when I get it on the plate. All right, guys, I did not show you guys what we ate. Well, I showed you what we ate, but I didn't show you how the plates look after. But so we're about to get dressed, go outside. You know, like I told you guys. Oh, I forgot I did not upload that video because I freaking deleted it on accident. And you're definitely gonna be cold. But I freaking edited it and everything. It was upload, and then it said it failed to upload. And then I went to delete the clips from my phone because I already had made the video and I saved it, but I didn't save it to my camera roll, so I pretty much messed up. It is what it is. So we're about to get dressed, go outside, go get some clips for you guys. I forgot to tell you yesterday. He made a bet. He did it himself. He said he was gonna jump off my balcony, bro. If you break your leg or something, bro, don't sue me. You're not gonna be able to sue me. All right, say it right. You can't sue me. But yeah, he said he's gonna jump off the balcony. And I said, how tall you think it is? I don't know. It's probably like, I don't even know. But it's pretty high. I'm gonna go down there. No, I gotta get some shoes on. I'm gonna put some shoes on and I'm gonna show you guys how tall it is. All right, so guys, we're on my balcony, but this is like how much snow is on the balcony. But check this out. He wants to jump from here to down there. And the snow has melted, as you guys see. The snow has melted. I'm telling him don't jump over here, but jump over here because there's like kind of more snow, as you guys can see, and it's like a slope, so he's gonna slide down. So which I think is more smarter to me. But I don't know what he wants to do, so you're gonna do whatever you. Should I jump down this way, bro? Yes, bro. Jump down this way. I mean, I would jump, but I'm just not that stupid. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Let me go down. See, that's how much snow was on mine originally. You see how much snow is up there? But there,
you couldn't get out.
No, I pushed it. I pushed the door. They probably swept it off or something. See, I love this type of snow. It's like mushy. Oh, I got snow in the house. Shut this door. But hold on, guys. I gotta go downstairs. Woo! Had to scoot through that little thing right there. But yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna go film him from the point of view of downstairs. So I'll catch you guys when I'm down there. All right, guys. So wait, he's up there. I don't know if you guys can see him. All right, let me get down here. So almost up. Let me get down here, bro. It's deep, bro. You're gonna be good. You're good. This is deep. Kid jumps off balcony and dies.
Alright.
Go.
Huh?
Go, just go for it. Just go for it.
3,
2, 1.
Ah!
Come on, bro. Alright, now you done messed up.
I'm about to do it, bro.
Go, just go for it, bro. Just go.
2,
1.
1.
Push off. Yo, you good?
Yeah.
Hey, yo. He just got, no, you good? What you gotta say? What you gotta say?
That was scary.
Lit. I told you to go that way because this way, you see, you wouldn't have slipped down. You would have just broke your damn ankles. You would have broke your ankles. All right, so let's see. Snow is already getting in my shoes. Guys, I have my basketball shoes on, so I don't freaking them. It's not even that cold to where the point I need gloves. But I have some gloves. I'm gonna put them on to build the snowman or whatever. But let's go.
Oh,
Was it worth it?
yeah.
Feel me?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Oh, let me step up my jacket a little bit. So I got him filming. So you guys get a different type of point of view, whatever. Ooh, look at the dog. Dog loves the snow, so I'm gonna let her enjoy the snow while she can. Most of it is melting.
It's melting.
This is
Dang.
what is this?
Easy bake oven.
Oh my god. I did not see this. That was completely buried.
Bro, this joint is crazy.
Crazy,
Oh.
bro.
I'm slipping down this.
Exactly. See, a lot of this stuff melted.
Look at this. It's
Is that a dog in the lake?
bro, that looks like a bear. I don't know if y'all can see that.
No, she's using bathroom. Alright, you can stop. You can stop. Ooh.
Yeah.
So, alright, guys, look. Remember, I keep forgetting you guys did not watch the vlog yesterday because I didn't upload it because you guys know. So over here we got a lot of snow or whatever. See, good thing about Quan, he knows how to film. He goes over when I point to something. But I jumped in. Oh my god, I jumped in this yesterday. Huh?
Your mom wants you.
I jumped in this yesterday. Or whatever. I remember Pickle Boy came behind the camera. He tried to freaking do a snow angel face down in this. I'm in pajamas. It's not that cold out here, so. What is she doing? What? Look. What? He loves snow. Oh, shit!
Oh.
This is cold. This is cold. Oh, baby. Let's go. Bro, I'm dizzy, but that was cold as. That was cold. God, I'm dizzy. God, I'm dizzy. All right, go. You dog, bro. See you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, I don't know. All right, so I'm at the front of the little complex or wherever. Don't throw none of this stuff around there. Don't want people to have an address. But I don't think we're going to have school tomorrow. But I honestly don't know because it's supposed to rain around like 10 p.m. tonight. And basically, it's like slush. But I don't think buses can drive on this. But if the temperature drops around like in the 20s, it'll freeze over. And then we definitely won't have school tomorrow. But guys, my birthday is tomorrow. So you guys better go on my Instagram and Twitter. Wish me happy birthday. Guys, better. Come on, come.
Dang.
What?
Bro, I just hit a burnout.
For real?
Yeah, that truck.
Yeah, we're definitely not going to have school. But let's you guys in the next clip.
Spit the check, trash rollie, I just wanna protect. Yeah. Fuck on your bitch like a banner. Feed your bitch my banana, sold out first showing it.
Alright guys, right now, camera's kind of foggy. We're about to start a snowman right on this area right there. We're gonna start a snowman for you guys. Today we're gonna have a long vlog. We're gonna have we gotta have more than 10-minute vlog, right, Quan? Yeah, more than 10-minute vlog. I'm trying to film everything that I do out here today, and now I know how to render it and stuff like that. We'll be good. So let's start on this snowman though. All right, guys, so Quan is about to grab his phone and we're gonna play hide and go seek. I think I got water in the camera. Yeah, I do. He's gonna get his phone and we're gonna play hide and go seek. So he's gonna film on his phone and I'm gonna film on mine. So we gotta do 2 different angles and stuff like that. So we can see his point of view, you can see my point of view. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it.
30. We're gonna be playing hide and seek in the snow. Okay, guys, the 30 seconds is up. I'm about to go find him. So, guys, I have found him right here. He was beside this car.
Bro, the dog was giving away my hiding spot, bro. Bro, she hiding with you next time, bro.
All right.
Bro, the dog. You fell?
Yeah. I found him.
All right, I got the camera cleared off. There's a whole bunch of snow on it, so I do not know where he went. I know he went over there in that area. So we're gonna get him and stuff. So let's go find him. I don't know what I'm gonna title this video though, because 2 good things happen in this video: hide and seek in a snowstorm, or which is clickbait, freaking hella clickbait, because there's no snowstorm as you see, but there is results of the snowstorm. So yeah, I don't know which one we're gonna do, but we're gonna go try to find him. Let's do it. All right, so we looking for him right now. I'm gonna flip the camera so let you guys see what I'm looking at. So I heard some noise over there, but I don't know. So I got my dog hunter right there to help me try to find him. I want Devo, come on this way. I wouldn't blame him if he buried himself under some snow. You know what I mean? I can't wait till I get a tripod for this camera, guys. You guys just don't know. I won't blame him if he's behind there. No, he's not behind there. Let's go. Let's go this way. Diva, come on. Where would Quan the vlogger hide? Oh, looks like my dog knows where he's at. Where would he hide? You think he got behind there? See, the thing is, I just don't know where he would hide, you know what I mean? There's so many spots around this housing area that he... Oh, almost fell. Okay, let me look around. He's not back there. So most likely he's on that side of the housing area, so let's go over there. Come on. Come on, my dog hunter. You're supposed to be hunting down corn for me. I hope he's filming on his camera. I think I just saw him. I think I just saw him. He don't know I'm behind him. I swear to God, I just seen him. I just seen him. Let's go. I can see his footmarks too. Oh, motherfucker. He don't know I'm behind him. Either right here. He's right there. Almost slipped. Catch you guys when I get him. Got him. Bro, I seen you when you were already back there. Oh. I seen you when you were behind those houses right there.
What, you were behind there?
Yeah. I saw you the whole time. Did you see me? Oh, I thought that's why you moved.
I thought you didn't know where I was at.
Bro, I didn't, but I seen you When I came behind the house, when I would look by the pier, I seen you walking. I seen something move, and I was like, hold on. I thought it was some snow or something. The lady that was in that house over there? Yeah, because she looked out, she came out of her house.
No, she drove past and she was just standing. I was like this. Ooh.
Nah. Alright, so I found him. But look, oh, that's straight ice. God, but when you hide, you can't move from that hiding spot. So, hold on. Well, I forgot I'm filming this thing. So once, like, I'm next, right? So once I hide, I can't move from that hiding spot. Oh my God. That is straight ice. Film this. Guys, look how much snow I got on me right now. That's from diving in snow. I like the snow. The snow feels good. So I'm gonna start recording again when I get in the house. See you guys in the house. Alright guys, so right now we came back in the house. Put some clothes on. And came in the chill because it's pretty cold outside. We was out there for at least an hour. At least an hour or two. Playing in the snow. We'll vlog that for you guys. But we're gonna keep this vlog going. I don't know what else we're gonna be doing today. We're just gonna be chilling. I just vlog, see what we're gonna be doing. So guys, so for the past about 2 hours we ate. We've been chilling, watching some YouTube on the computer. So guys, I am so sorry. Somebody had called me, so I had to answer that. Corn in the background. Yeah. What sit down? What we need to do a challenge or something. Imagine the challenge. But yeah, I do have a computer right here, guys. I need to get a tripod. I cannot wait till I get a tripod. Keep ending the clip on accident, I'm sorry, but I need to get a tripod. I did have a tripod, but I broke it. And that was a cheap one. I need to get a good one. This costs like $100. I'm gonna show you guys the one I want. But yeah, like I was saying, we've been chilling for the last hour or so. Maybe we go back in the snow. Yeah, maybe we'll go back in the snow. But already I have edited this vlog, and it's 20 minutes long. 20-minute long vlog. That is the longest. You know what I'm saying? So, oh my God, guys. You know what pranks I can do with it? Fake blood prank. Yo. Real talk. I'm about to pull a prank. I don't know when though. I don't know when I'm gonna pull some pranks because yeah, in the prank, my family, bro, they do not fall for pranks. Like if I prank Quan, I bet he'd fall for it. But he know if I just pulled a prank on Quan, he would know because of that. But yeah, this video is 20 minutes long. 20 minutes long. I told you what I was about to say. 20 minutes long. Hopefully I can upload this video. I think I can transfer files from the phone to the computer. I believe I can do that. So I'm gonna edit it up here, then I'm gonna put it on the computer, and hopefully I can upload it. Get it uploading overnight, render it out, upload it tomorrow around, I don't know. And like I said, I'm gonna start vlogging my life more often for you guys. So I know you guys want to see that. A lot of you guys have posted on Twitter. You know, do more videos and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in a minute. All right, guys. So right now we decided to just get out the house. We're gonna go to 7-Eleven. It's up the street from where I live at. So catch you guys when I get there. I want to say thank you for watching yesterday's vlog because I'm filming the outro the next day because the outro I made yesterday was too long. It was like a minute long, and then you know what I'm saying. Yeah, you already know. But guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. And roll the outro. Peace.